Here we are in the cab. As you can see, it needs a lot of work. And it's going to be some dirty work. Let's get started. It is definitely feeling like summer out here. Oh, this is going to be miserable. That was glued in. Okay. Holy smokes. It's hot out. I don't know if I'm gonna do any more today. I am not hydrated enough for this. It would be nice to have an air-conditioned shop to work in. Alright, well, I got some bits cut out. I feel like I just revealed more problems than I'm solving here, but we'll work with what we got. What this really needs is a whole roof replacement. That's not in the cards for me. So I'm going to try to fix this up as best I can. I'll try to clean up the rust in here. Obviously this is really thin and rotten in a lot of the places. So I'm going to have to be creative in how I attach that new plate that goes on here with the holes cut in it. I'm going to make a new one and figure out a good way to attach it to this rotten stuff. And then I'm going to get a new channel to run along here to the back on both sides. Smooth that out. I beat it up pretty bad just trying to get these welds undone. I got to clean up this stuff too. Ugh. It's going to be a lot of work, and it is hot out. Huh?
No, it isn't.
It's not hot. She's been outside for about 30 seconds. And mosquitoes are out. So that doesn't help things. Time to cool off a little bit. Okay, I'm bringing it. Okay, keep it covered. Set, go.
3, 4, 5.
Ah! You got me.
It's a lot.
You didn't go all the way through.
Okay, fine.
Try again. You did it. You gotta go over the sprinkler.
What?
You're going around it. Go right over it. Don't be scared. I'll try it too. Oh my god. Woo! That's cool.
Okay, I can't really do the side.
Alright, break's over. Let's clean this thing up. Alright. Well, that one can pretty much covered the whole thing. Except for in there. I gotta deal with that first before I... Still lots of work to do. But at least this will keep it from re-rusting more than it already is. And it helps me see where the imperfections are, which there are many.
Tumbleweed garage.